Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to stop recording on YouTube TV. It can be a little confusing, especially if you're used to traditional DVRs, so we're going to break it down into a few simple steps. Before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button. And if you want more tips and tricks for making the most of your streaming services, be sure to subscribe to Rome Tips. Okay, so you've set up a recording on YouTube TV. Maybe it's a whole season of your favorite show, or just a single game. But now you want to stop it. Here's how.
Astérisque astérisque option 1. Canceling future recording of a show astérisque astérisque.
First, navigate to the Library tab. You'll find it either at the bottom or the top of your screen, depending on what device you're using. Once in your library, look for the show or sporting event you want to stop recording. Click on it. Now you'll see an option that says something like Recording Options, or possibly just the name of the show with a checkmark next to it indicating it's being recorded. Click on that. This will open up a menu. You should see a button that says something like Stop Recording. Go ahead and click that. YouTube TV will then ask you to confirm your decision.
Just click Stop Recording again.
And that's it. YouTube TV will no longer record new episodes of that show. Option 2. Deleting individual recordings. Maybe you just want to get rid of a specific episode you've already recorded. You can do that too. Again, go to your library. Find the show you want to manage. This time, instead of clicking on the show itself, look for a specific episode you want to delete. Click on that episode. You should see 3 dots, a vertical ellipsis, or a menu icon somewhere on the screen. Click on that. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Delete Recording. YouTube TV will likely ask you to confirm your decision. Click Delete or Confirm to remove the episode from your library. Important considerations ***. Asterisk series recordings ***. Remember that stopping a recording only affects future episodes. It doesn't delete any episodes you've already recorded. You'll need to delete those individually if you want to remove them. Storage space YouTube TV gives you unlimited DVR storage, but recordings are only kept for 9 months. So even if you forget to cancel a recording, it will eventually be deleted automatically. Double-check it's always a good idea to double-check your library after you've canceled a recording to make sure it worked correctly. So there you have it. 2 easy ways to stop recording on YouTube TV. We hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on streaming services. Let us know in the comments if you have any other questions about YouTube TV. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.